Newspaper are the windows to the world. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. This is Saima Kamal. Today I would like to talk about newspaper. Well, actually there goes a proverb that newspaper are the windows to the world. Ours is an age of modern science. Newspaper is a paper which carries news and views of home and abroad to us. In the morning, we wait eagerly for a newspaper. It is a part and parcel in our day-to-day life. Actually, newspaper was first published during the reign of Queen Elizabeth in England. The Indian Gazette, which was the first newspaper in Indo-Bangladesh, was published in 1774. The Samachar Darpan was the first Bengali newspaper. The Christian missionaries was Srirampur published it. There are many kinds of newspapers. They are the dailies, weeklies, monthlies, even quarterlies. The dailies newspaper gives us everyday news and views. There are many English and Bengali newspapers in our country. The English newspapers are the Daily Sun, the Daily New Nation, the Daily Independence, and etc. And the Bangla dailies are the Samachar Darpan, Kaler Kontho, the Doinondin Bangladesh, etc. Well, now this day, global distance has been removed, and the day by day we become it. Their newspaper gives us news about politics, literature, economics, games, sports of the whole world. At least we can say that newspapers are very crucial to us. Without a newspaper, we can't think a single day of our own life. Thank you so much for your dedication, and Allah Hafiz.